My name is Ashadi Duncan and I am a fisheries assistant at the Department of Marine Resources. During the underwater camera and depth gauge training, we did some test runs on land and also in the ocean. And on Wednesday we went out and did the depth gauge training, and we were testing for the depth, the salinity, and the temperature of the area that would be surveyed once we move forward in using these equipment. And it was very educational, knowledgeable, and I had a lot of fun being out on the ocean once again. My favorite part of the training would be the underwater camera, because unfortunately I couldn't jump into the ocean on that day, but getting to see under the water while I'm still on the boat was the most exciting part of the trip. The equipment will help the Department of Marine Resources Extension Unit to gather data, manage the marine habitat resources, and also we can disseminate the information to the general public as well as our fishers.